Hi everyone, my name is Madeline Ham and I'm excited to be starting class again. Um, Also excited to be in human behavior again. The policy class was a little bit of a struggle, but I'm excited for what we're doing in this class. My current role, I'm a mass communication specialist in the Navy, so I'm a journalist, photographer, social media manager. Um, And my only encounters with people that have been diagnosed with mental health conditions is some of the sailors that I've interacted with um, as a photographer or interviewed, some of my sailors that I have to help prepare for deployment. Some of them have anxiety, some of them have depression, um, different disorders like that you can still be in the Navy and still serve with in the military. I also have a friend who is currently in her second year in the Widener program, who also has her own health conditions, mental health conditions, and her and I are both served in the Navy together. She's the one who told me about this program at Widener. So that's my experience with diagnosis so far. Um, Also, I grew up. My younger sister was bipolar, diagnosed bipolar at a young age, and her sister, who was adopted into a different family, also was diagnosed with bipolar disorder. Um, my beliefs about mental health diagnosis, you know, I believe in, I believe in it. I believe that people need the help and but maybe shouldn't be so attached to their diagnosis. I know some of you have talked about, I'm not my diagnosis. It doesn't define who I am. I like that perspective, but I think the diagnosis is important in being able to help people and treat people and understand what they're dealing with. So it's definitely necessary, but it definitely can be a double-edged sword as well. As far as participating in diagnosis, I don't currently do that in my job, so I'm excited to learn more about that part of the process, and I look forward to class with all of you this time. Thanks.